Hello friends, welcome back to our new video on the tenses. And in today's lesson, today we will practice the combination between past simple and past perfect tense. And today our practice session is according to the past simple tenses, how can you convert the past perfect as well? Okay, so that will force your brain. The more you will try to force your brain, the more you can learn and the more you can gain your knowledge as well. Okay, so I hope you get it very well. So no more talking, let's get started. And our today's part is 3, as you can see as well. And today it is the last part of this tense. Okay, so in this last part, today we will just practice. So no more talking, let's get started. So here, as the last part, I have divided into the 3 categories. The sentences have been fallen into the different categories, but they follow the same rule. The structure is same. They keep following the same structure, but you have to just identify them as well. So here, we can start from here. So here we can say in the A number here we can find out the 2 sentences by using past simple. Here the contest has been mentioned. I completed 3 courses. Somebody has told, has been written this. I received a certificate. So these are the 2 sentences of past simple. So here, according to these tense, we will try to convert it into the past perfect. So here, the next is, I completed 3 courses, then I received a certificate. So let's try to make this into the past perfect. Before I received a certificate, I something 3 courses. What it will be? Take it from here. These action happen first. No, 3 courses. I received a certificate. Okay, so I completed before I received a certificate. These actions have happened first. So we can write what? How can we change this? Had completed. You have to add the had completed. Had completed. Before I received a certificate, I had completed 3 courses. Same like the B number. Here we are watching that is, the children went to bed at 11. 10. The children went to bed at 10. Then Alex arrived home at 11. Okay, so the context provides about the children. The children went to bed at 11, and after that, Alex arrived home at 11. Okay, so we will try to convert it again as we did to the A number. So let's see. When Alex arrived home, the children something to bed. Okay, so first of all, this deed has happened first. The children the children went to the bed. Okay, then Alex came to the home. So before Alex came, the children go to the bed. Okay, in the past. So here these action happened first, as we can see. So here we can say the children. How can we transform it? Yes, we can say had. What is the third form of the verb of to go? Go, went, gone. Had gone. Then it becomes like this. When Alex arrived home, the children had gone to bed. Here, but can we say, instead of using this, can we say only using the past simple tense? For example, that is, the children went to bed at 11, then Alex arrived home at 11. The children went to bed at 10, then Alex arrived home at 11. can we say without this tense, okay, any kinds of sentences, any kinds of situations, if it denotes the past, can we use it? Yes, you can use it, but what if the children what did the children may did everything? Okay, there were many tasks that they did before Alex came. So can you just only say that is the children went to bed, then the children take a shower, then the church, then the children had their supper, then Alex arrived, okay? And also you have said this phrase, then, and if you said multiple times and, okay, it sounds like weird, okay? It feels like boring. Okay, instead of this, you can use this in an advanced way by using the past perfect tense. You can you can convert it. Okay, when Alex arrived home, the children had gone to bed. Okay, you can use the past simple tense at once. Then after using some time, you can use the past perfect tense as well. Then it makes your English better. Okay, then it will elevate your English. Next. So now we will try to focus on the C number. So here, as we can see on the contest, so here we are watching, he was a manager for 11 years. He became a director. So he was a manager for 11 years. He became a director. Okay, so which deed happens first in the past? So here we can say like this. This happened first. Okay, this happened first. So we can say before she became a director, she, what else can we put? Had, of course, had. What is the third form? Was, as you know, be verb. Be verb are what? Be verb are am is are, and the past form is was were, and the third form is been. Been. So we can say like this, before she became a director, she had been a manager for 11 years. But there's one point that can distract your mind as well. That is, you may your mind may keep questioning you, keep asking you. That is, can't we say instead of this, she had been a manager for 11 years before she became a director? Of course, you can say. But the main thing is, if you say that, it will be correct. But if you say this way, it will also be correct. But your main goal is, that is, which action happened first in the past. Okay? Then it will be correct. If you only say that is, she had been a manager for 11 years before she became a director, it will be also okay. But and if you say this in another way, it will be also okay, like this, as I have mentioned. Before she became a director, she had been a manager for 11 years. That will be also correct. So if you say this before and then after you use this, no problem. Or if you use this before and after you use this sentence, it will be also be correct. Okay? So as it is used, okay, as it is used, the situations is used as well. If you hadn't watched my individual parts before you came the series, okay, you can go back to the previous lessons. In there I break down each parts of the tenses as well, where I talked about the introduction, the spelling changes, the rules, the structures, the common mistakes, which situations we use each tenses. By watching each kinds of videos, you will gain your knowledge and you will able to speak English by using all kinds of tenses. Okay, and remember, this is a series created by me that will help your English journey in tenses. Okay, so if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video. And this is the last part. And before ending, I want to share you that this next video, we are going to learn with a new fresh tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. So be ready for that and see you in the next video for that, and bye for now.